I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid candidate for Cardiff West, and today I'm stood outside the former Waungron Road Recycling Centre, which, according to today's Echo, we've learned that the Labour Council want to spend the millions raised by parking and traffic fines to open here some kind of bus exchange which nobody wants. It will add time to journeys, it will cause traffic chaos at this junction. I would go as far as saying that it could well be dangerous. Now, what a waste of £3 million of hard-earned cash that in this city which should be going to maintaining our roads. I would flag up one detail, that our AM in Cardiff West has never mentioned a single word about the closure of this former recycling depot, and he's silent now. We have an election on May the 5th, and I would urge you to support Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, at that election and send this very arrogant Labour Party a message. One further thing, in May 2017, when we have a Plaid Cymru Council running this city again, we will reopen Waungron Road and make it once again a recycling centre for all of our communities in Cardiff West. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.